Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. Now, some people might think VLOOKUP is a little bit intimidating or complex, but honestly, it's quite simple and it's very useful. So here we have two sample tables. This first one is just going to have our products, which each have a code, a name, and a price. And we have this small little table that's going to be doing the lookups, and it has enter product code here, product name, and price. So once we input a code, it will tell us the name and the price of the product. So first things first, we're just going to select this cell and we're going to use our VLOOKUP function. Now, the first thing it takes is the lookup value. We're just going to select this cell here because this is the input and that's the value we're going to be looking up. Add a comma, and now we select the table array, which is just this one because this is what we're searching through. The column index number is going to be 2 because for the product name it's this one and that's the second column. And then we're just going to type false in the last one. As you can see, VLOOKUP will only find an exact match, and that's what we want. Close off the brackets, hit enter, and we get an NA. Now we're just going to do the same thing for the price. So we do VLOOKUP, do VLOOKUP, lookup value is this one. We're going to be looking through this table, and now instead of 2, we're going to be using 3 for the column index number because this one is taking the price, and hit false. There we are, NA. Now once we enter the product code in this cell, let's just use MT300, hit enter, and as you can see, the name and the price pops up right here. Super simple. Anyways, if that was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. See ya.